Welcome to the in front of me Honor 90, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibrations section. Here swipe a little bit down and you'll see the notification sound. Now get the bell tree and just tap there to change it. As can you see, we got here the music on device section, so you can select all the music from your device. If you get some music, for example, download it from the internet, or also you can switch it to the one of the available default sounds. For example, this one or this one. And now just to save the changes, go back, and as can you see, we got here the on our new notification sound, the twinkle one. So that's really easy, as can you see. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.